Katie,
Okay.
what are you thinking?
That this is sweet shit and I want to get back there, damn it.
Well, I'll videotape you walking over there, or we could take the long way.
We could do the long way. That looks kind of freaky.
This is for my cousin.
The long way looks kind of freaky too.
The long way looks kind of long.
We could do it. We have nothing else to do with our afternoon. Besides, you gotta go out the footmile.
Yeah.
Hopefully it's stuck back there, I know that. Well, are we gonna try it back there or what? This one isn't even that slippery to walk on though.
No, it doesn't seem that bad. Wonder what's up in here. Whoa. The ice caves.
Of the UP, eh?
Of the UP, eh?